Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I will show you how easy we can connect a Redmi AirDots 2 to this smartphone. So at the first, let's open the Bluetooth settings on our Samsung, enable Bluetooth, and then simply open charging case of the AirDots 2 and take them off from the charging case. As you can see, after a few moments they are blinking on the white color, I mean the indicator is blinking. So after a few moments they will appear on the list. You have to be patient and wait. We can click stop and scan another time. There it is, so just tap on them, click OK, and as you can see right now we are connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.